In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can read the JSON file in PySpark. So I have a JSON file, countries.json, and I have two columns in the JSON, the country name and its code. So I will show you how you can read this file into the PySpark as a data frame. So I will start the PySpark terminal. So in PySpark, the Spark session is already available as a Spark variable. So I will create the data frame like this: df equal to spark dot read dot json, and I will pass the path of my JSON file. So to read the JSON file in Spark as a data frame, you have to use this code spark.read.json and then pass the path and file name of the JSON file. So it is already read for me. I will check the schema. So df.print schema is printing the schema, and in this you can see there is two fields called there are two fields, code and name. Code is the country code and name is the country name. And df.show so it is displaying the 20 rows and code and the country name. So here in this data frame I have 244 records. So in this tutorial you learned how to read a JSON file in PySpark as data frame. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.